Everybody, we get asked 1,000 times a day, how long does it take Cosmo to sand a rope, or to sand a cabinet door? So we're gonna answer that question for you. We're here at AWFS 2025 in Las Vegas, and you should be too. Get down here. We've got our brand new door assembly and gluing robot that we've got our edge sanders here. We've got the ultimate edge sander. And now we're gonna answer that question. Lynn, can you start a timer for us? Lynn's here. She's gonna start it on the Kaizenify productivity timer, and I'm gonna sand a door. And I'm gonna stay in the pictures. You can see there's no funny business, but with fast forwarding it, because you're not gonna believe how fast it is. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Robot reads the door, starts sanding. Here we go. So first we sand the stiles and rails. What's our time at, Lynn? What's our time at? So 10 seconds to sand the stiles and rails, then we sand the inside perimeter to get nice and close to that rail, and then we sand the center panel. We sand the center panel with the same pattern every time, left, right, up, down, and then a weave to get rid of any sanding lines, and the door comes out perfect every time. So we're rounding the final corner of the weave pattern, and then Lynn will stop the timer and show us. Ready, and stop. All right, we're done.
48 seconds.
Let's see it. People won't believe us.
I stopped it after you said stop.
I know, we put another 3 seconds on there, but that's all right. So there you have it. 48 seconds, door sanded. Now.